Here we are inside Thai Silk Magic. Our weavers busy as always. Hey now, I can see you. And believe it or not, this are silkworms, which we'll show you more in just a moment. Here are the silkworms we saw inside in the shelves, and now here they are, one of the packs outside. And now, getting ready to feed them. This is on making our white silk scarves. You can see there, it's rolled up. How many meters? About 15 meters already. And you can see. This is Tui, she's busy. Love to laugh and smile. Another one of our ladies there.
This me now, I'm making silk now. It's a very high quality silk. This is we make for scalp, and beautiful scalp here.
Here you can see Dao. She's actually doing some of the dyeing process. This takes many hours with the natural dyes to make sure that the colours are as good as we can get, and also that they are colour fast.